Polony from Enterprise's factory in Polokwane has been identified as a source of the country's Listeria outbreak. It's important to do away with all potentially contaminated products. The first thing you need to do is to get rid of all your polony. Don't throw it into the bin, because people who scratch around in bins might still find it and eat it. Some Woolworths products are packaged at Enterprise too, so it's best to get rid of those as well. Polony from Rainbow Chicken and other companies are under investigation as well, so it's best to get rid of all your cold meat products. It's not just the cold meat you need to get rid of. If your polony has touched other foods like an apple, you need to throw that away as well. Listeria is not airborne, so if the polony didn't touch the apple, you don't have to throw it away. There could be Listeria germs stuck to your fridge shelves, so it's important to clear your fridge of it. Take 1 teaspoon of bleach and mix it with 1 liter of hot water. Remove all the products from your fridge and scrub. Most healthy people won't get Listeria, but if you're feeling feverish or if you have diarrhea and it doesn't go away within a few days, go and see your doctor just to be sure.